the parking at Asmerson and we're leaving now. We're using the bridge connecting to SMX on the way to IKEA. Mom! We didn't really expect there to be so much people here. We were just in time for our reservation, but the other people came earlier than the registered time. We had a QR code. Thank you. We registered online so we didn't have to wait. You just have to go to the IKEA website, then pick a date. By the way, it turned out to be really cold inside IKEA, so what I was wearing wasn't the perfect fit to go there. Like, you should probably wear like a hoodie or something. And then we got some yellow bags because they didn't have any of the carts anymore. And of course, the first part is the showroom, and you get to see so many inspos for like home decor and aesthetics that you want to copy over in this area. And then all of the stuff are labeled on like where you have to go to find these items. This part was really cool because it had like a lot of gamer stuff, which I think my brother would really like. Look at the chair over here, it looks so good and so sleek, right? And all of those other tech stuff. This table's 28k, oh my gosh. So as you can see, this place has like the most people among all the other places here in IKEA, because like people are really taking the time to look at the inspos and like feel how it's supposed to be like in a home. But I feel like you wouldn't be going through this trouble if you already know what you want, so that would be better. I think you should just come prepared going here. My fam and I didn't take too long in this area because you know there were a lot of people here. So after this, we just went ahead and looked at the furniture. So I saw a lot of cute stuff, but mainly what caught my eye was this panda. But look at the setup, it looks really good, especially look at those shelves. I really like books, so the shelves are really pretty. They also have some really cute minimalist chairs and they're all pastel, which I really like. Look at this desk. So this chair was really comfy. If you see it, go for it. This other chair looks a little bit sleeker, but the other one was still way comfier. This ring light comes built in with a phone stand, and I feel like that would be such a good multi-purpose item. Then in this area is mostly dining room stuff, like tables and chairs. They also have some really cool organizers, which I like. And then the beds area. So this is the fit check. I'm wearing my Air Force Ones. I don't really know what to say. And then of course the toy area. Oh my god, if you're a parent, please avoid this area. Your kids will stay here for like the longest time. I'm the kid. And I'm warning my parents. Oh my god, the line is so long. That area was for the food. I hate going down the stairs. And here we are, everything under 100. It's only 60, look at it. And then they have the Brat B blue bag, and it's only 30. It looks like that when there's stuff inside now. So cute. And then the lint rollers, we got a lot of those. And what else? More food containers, toilet brush, organizers. Mom, let's get this off. It's only 50, look. Those plates over there are only 50 pesos. Oh, that's cute. By By the time we got to this area, we already had a cart, but we chose the cart that can hold the tote bag that we were holding, but it was the wrong choice, so we ended up getting a bigger cart later in the video. I love that they were playing BTS songs and Justin Bieber songs the whole time.
Cover and pillowcase.
And then this other area isn't that interesting. It's just a lot of like light bulbs. And then they had a lot of lamps here that you could choose from, and they were all really nice. And they also have some art over here which you can use to design your homes, and they have some faux plants too. They have lots and lots of colors and designs that you can choose from. They also have the vases, so everything you need is here. And then after that, they have some of their outdoor furniture displayed over here. So we had to switch cart because we were getting a lot of stuff now. Oh, that's kind of cute. It's soft. It is 990. But I don't like the shape. Yana, don't do that. I was so tired at this point. And that area is the information area over there. You can ask questions like, will this fit in my room? The line is so long. Excuse me. Wait, Mom. This is the line right now. Over there, there's some more people. And over there, that's like the food area. So much people. Crazy. Okay, we're moving. Wait. Oh my gosh. On the cart thingy. It's taking so long. Oh, we're hungry now. So this is the food area. Chocolate. And then some chips. That's the end of the line. Chocolate with blueberries. And then that one's 70%. Oh, Mama. Milk chocolate with hazelnut. So we're leaving now. The line for food is like super long. It's 2 hours long, my gosh. And good thing there were 3 of us because there's 3 carts worth of shopping. Right now, this is where we're waiting. This is the parking area. All the other people are waiting for the cars over here. And that's my mom. This is the ground level parking. The Koreans helped us out because it was really hard. It's not gonna fit the car. We bought so much stuff.